Good day, Benedictinians. We are here at the Benedictine Gymnasium as the Benedictine Golden Cubs men's and women's volleyball team went out for another hunt at the annual 2025 Warriors Cup.
The first ones to compete were the women's team that showed heart after a long and intense grueling battle against Del Pilar Academy. The first set of the match wasn't lucky for the Cubs as the Eagles were able to soar and catch the win with a tight 2-point win, 23-25. But heading on with a newfound determination and the takeover of the team's open spiker Meili Limpin, the Cubs fought relentlessly to secure the next two sets with a close 31-29 and 24-22 as the Cubs roar after sealing the win.
We are currently here with the star of today's game, Ate Meili Limpin. And Ate Meili, did you expect this match to be this close?
Yes, kasi hindi naman na ito yung first time na naglaban kami or nagharap ng Delpa. So, marami na rin mga instances na nagkakaharap kami. And yun nga, since aware naman na din kami na yung Delpa is hindi rin naman yung sino-sino lang na school or kalaban namin. So, nag-prepare kami, naghanda kami para sa magaganap na match. And yun nga, expected namin na lahat ng mga prepare namin is nagamit namin.
Meanwhile, the men's team, thought to be a blowout, showed their grit with a comeback after falling short against UCC 18-25 in the first set of the match. And just like what happened to the women's team, the male Cubs fought a hard battle and managed to win the next two sets 28-26, 16-14 after a dominant performance from their middle blocker Mark Jude Onarosa, deeming both teams as the victor of today's round.
We are here today with the star of today's game, Mac Onarosa, for his brilliant plays and attacks against UCC. Mac, what are your preparations and your team's preparations going to this match against UCC?
Unang-una, hindi talaga kami nakapag-prepare. For example, yung training namin this week, nakaisa lang kami. Kasi hati-hati talaga like sa girls namin, basketball, badminton, at saka yung v-ball na lalaki. So parang wala kami naging preparasyon sa team namin. Lalo na sa mga play na gaganapin dapat namin sa laban namin sa UCC. At saka parang may ilan po talaga sa amin para nakalimutan na today may laban kami. So, di ko alam kung nakapag-prepare ba yung mga kakampi ko or ako lang, parang gano'n. So, yung ginawa ko na preparation sa laban namin sa UCC, nagpakapuyat ako para mag-exercise, para magpa-condition, parang ganyan. So, parang hanggang naging magko 4 AM na. So, 2 hours na lang yung tulog ko nun. Ayun, nandito naman ako, carry naman, energetic, gano'n. So, luckily, panalo kami, gano'n.
Congratulations, Mac. Let us all anticipate another roar from the Cubs as their next conquest is yet to be known. This has been Saab Alfinda giving you the latest sports news.